Hi class, today I'm going to be telling you about my 2019 summer trip. Okay, so I first started off at my house. I got ready and I'm actually from Chino Hills, so from there I went to Amy's farm, which I went there because I went on this trip with my boyfriend and his family, so I went over to their house and they actually live on a farm. This is a cool little picture of the barn. Okay, so from there, we drove all the way to, let me zoom out so you can see, to San Jose. We went to the convention center Inn and Suites because their family members are very into Legos and they were having a Lego convention that they actually built stuff for. So we went to go see them because we were passing through the area. From there, we went to our main location, which was Guerneville. I'm not sure if I say it right, but it's a cute little town on the coast of California, pretty much at least. A little bit past San Francisco, but this is a picture of the river. It's called Russian River, so yeah, the river's here. So from once we got into Guerneville, we went to the Airbnb that we stayed at. It was a cute little Airbnb. It was big, and I was actually on the water, or at least on the river, and they provided kayaks and yeah, I think that was pretty much it. But it was a lot of fun. You could swim, you could kayak, you could fish. There was a lot to do. Now from here on, these are in no particular order. So yeah, so one of the days we went to Goat Rock Beach, which is this super cool beach where you see like a rock pretty much in the middle of it. We went there a couple times. There's seals. It's freezing because the time of year we went, but it was still super cool and super pretty, and I would recommend anyone to go visit. It's off the one, I believe. So if you get car sick, maybe don't go. Um, from there, on another day, we went to Bodega Bay. It's a cute little town. If you've ever, I believe it's a book. If you've ever read the book, yeah, it is. The Birds, the movie version is actually based off this area. They film here. So that was super cool. It's also like off the coast, and I hear they have really good seafood. I don't eat seafood, but my boyfriend and his family do, so they recommend it. On another day, we went further down the one and went to Point Reyes. It's super cute. They have a creamery, so they make cheese, and if you love cheese, you should really go there because they have some of the best cheese, I personally think. They also have this really cool lighthouse. We didn't actually go down there because I think it was closed at the time, but I'm not sure if like it's open to the public. But it's still super pretty, and here's a picture of the little store that they had where they sell their cheese. You can take a tour of the dairy. They only use those cows for their milk to make cheese, so it's super cool and it's really good. So on another day, we went into Napa Valley. We went to this super cool winery called Chateau Montelena. It's beautiful. At the time, I was not 21, so I did not try any wine, but my boyfriend's dad is a very big wine person. He has some, I think he's like a sommelier or whatever. So he really enjoyed it, but the grounds were beautiful. We went to a couple other wineries. I'm not sure what they were called, but still, they were all so beautiful, and it was a lot of fun. On another day, we went to a town called Hillsburg. It was super cute. This area is Sonoma County, so they're known for their wine, but They also have a lot of really cute tea stores, so if you like tea, it's a really fun place to go. Um, it's just a group of really nice people. It's super cute. They have a restaurant there that has a Michelin star. We didn't eat there, but I hear it's really good. Um, on another day, we actually got to go into San Francisco. We went to Ghirardelli Square and we went to Pier 39. It was super fun. You got to see People Watch, which is also very fun if you like the little shows they put on the pier. The food's all great, and yeah, it was a lot of fun. And from there, pretty much, our trip ended, and we were back home in Southern California.